Hello once again, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is before terminal. In this section of the training, we're going to be looking at how to treat back-ordered products. So sometimes your customer will request to make a sales order to you for some item which you don't have, or you have them partly but not complete. So let's say they order for a door frame, for instance. Let's go ahead and go to sales order. So this sales order, when you receive order from your customer. So let's select a particular customer here, and let's say this customer, and we have a job on those customers. So let's just say utility shed. Okay, so let's say the customer requests for door frame. Now sales order, they are non-posting transaction. They won't affect any part of your financials. They're just order, right? Okay, so let's say we want to order 30. They ordered for 30. Now from here you see that the quantity on hand is 21, quantity on order, sales order 0, quantity reserved for assemblies 15, then quantity available is 6. So now quantity available to sell is 6. There is 21 actually, but we've reserved 15 for assemblies. You understand? Then quantity available is 6. And look at, the customer is requesting for 30. So we need an additional 24 to be able to complete. So in this case, 3 things can actually go. This is just an order, so we can still put the 30 there. Is an order. It mustn't be the same with what we have on store. So but what matters is what we are delivering to the customer. Okay, now there are 3 things involved here. Number 1 is either the customer is in a hurry, that okay, give me whatever it is you have, forget about the one you don't have. So we'll just give the order, we'll just give the customer 6, the 6 door frame we have that is available, right? The second one is if the customer is not in a hurry, that okay, don't worry, I will hold on till when we get back you purchase. That is, they're telling us now that they can hold on then till when we purchase additional items, then we add it up to 30. They are fine, they are not in a hurry. They don't need speed. They just want you to get them what they are ordered for. In that case, that is a different case. Then the third case is they can decide that okay, give me what you have now, then whenever the other one arrive, you balance it. Okay, so in this case, this is the order. They ordered for 30, and so we're going to select one out of these 3. So let's say they ordered for 30, and the rate here, let's say, is 200,000. That is 6 million for this 30 they ordered. This is an order, so we are not just talking about if it affect our financials or not. So I'll just go ahead and save and close. Now this is what we call back order. So back order is whenever customers demand or request for an item which you don't have complete, then you now order to your suppliers so that you can be able to meet up with the request your customer is making. Okay, so now is either you are making your own purchase order too, like creating purchase order, or you just go to the market and purchase your item. So there's no need for purchase order in that case. So let me say we are buying from this vendor and we want to order for door frame. Okay, door frame. So we are ordering door frame of how many? Let's say 50. Okay, here we can see it's reflecting as 12. Let me just use for the accounting purpose, or just for the training purpose. So let's just use, I think in the other one we use let me use 200. No, this time I'll just use 150,000. So 7.5. Okay, down to update. No, so let's just see this is what we have. But quickly, let's look at the sales order. Open window, just go home. let's look at the sales order. I want to see the price that we use on the sales order. Okay, the price we use on the sales order is 200,000 and we ordered for 30, right? So we can use 150. So 150 is not bad. So we'll go back to the purchase order and then we'll go with 150,000 for 50 items. Okay, so now I'll just go ahead and save and close. So this is an order. These two things I entered now are not affecting the financials. So I'm just going ahead and receive the inventory with bill. Okay, so once I receive the inventory, then we supply to the customer. So you can go ahead. I'm receiving the inventory from this customer. You can see that we have an open order. I say yes, I want to go ahead with the order. And oh, the dates, I forgot to correct the dates. Okay, I think the recent one should be this. You now click on that so you can see the 50 and that. So the date is supposed to be today's date. Okay, but we understand the entries as we enter them. So just go ahead and save and close. Now once you save and close, we now have the item with us. So whenever we now go to create invoice to sell to this customer, once we select the customer, who do we sell to? I think this job. So you can see the order is still reflecting. So I can select the order and click on OK. So we want to create an invoice for all of the sales order, or want to create an invoice for a selected, so it's for all. So the customer was patient enough, so and we are selling the 30 to the customer. So from here you just go ahead and save and close. Now once you go to your financial profit and loss, you see over here, okay, there's the balance, profit and loss. See, we have on that date 2022. So let's go back home. Let's look at the invoice and check the date. The date is 31st of March. Nope, not this date. Okay, let's find. So I'm gonna find this utility shed. So this is the invoice created. This, okay. So 15th of December 2022. Okay, 15th of December 2022. So I can decide to adjust the date to that effect. 15th of December 2022. 15th of December 2022. Okay, so hit on refresh. Now you can see the transaction here. Once you double click on this, is the material income. You can see the 6 million over here. So with this, I believe we now know how to record back order products. Whenever we don't have enough, we make an order, and then once the order is once we receive the order, we sell to the customer. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share my video. If you have any questions, drop it in the comment section.